consider subscribing, liking and share. So today for our today's video we are going to be doing vegetables fridge restocking. So guys, I got here some tomatoes, and let me tell you, if you stay in Mombasa, you'll understand that sometimes getting things kupata vitu ziko hivi into bulk is so beneficial kuliko kupata kitu hivi kwa kibanda mwanana. Imagine this tomato like this, just 15 shillings, and when you go to Soko, you move with a bulk. Now you see. So guys, I want you to arrange with me. Let's restock with me this fridge. Don't mind it. At the moment it's empty. That's why I want us to let's restock it together. Okay. Hope you enjoy my video.
I don't know what you're talking about. You stole it right off her foot. Anything that touches your feet is an offering to the Samia.
Samia?
Yes. Hello. I'll take most offerings and I'm not fussy.
I know this. This is from my book, Five Children and Men. The kids, they find this thing and gives them wishes.
One a day, but nothing longer in a sentence. You don't want to wish, and never walk out. It's consequences. Something unfortunate happens, you may make up a bad name. Wishes are bad news.
I wish I was the best driver in the world.
And so guys, these are all the tomatoes that were here. Imagine all of this just for 150 only. Kwenda to Soko. So guys, come with me. Let's arrange it here. Here goes. So guys, come with me. Let's do this. So I don't know, you call it like the monthly vegetable fridge restocking. Because guys, look, Kwenda Soko is the best thing. And we are done by the tomato section. So let's go to the next session. So guys, if you don't want like your tomatoes to go bad hata zikiwa kwa fridge, what you do, you can use your lemon as a preservative of your tomatoes, na pia unaweza tumia chumvi. Go check on my videos, you'll see on using chumvi na pia ukitumia hizo. So guys, we are going to place these ones kwa tomatoes ndivyo isaidia isiharibike. Even in the fridge they can last for a very long time and pia zitu serve. So what you do is you don't put on top of here. You have to put it karibu hapa hivi inside. You can either cut it or not cut it, but I do prefer you cut it so that you see guys, this is where you can place it. Now usifunike, you just let it ikae hivyo. Then the other one you can place it. So guys, this one helps. It will allow the tomatoes even stay here for a longer period. Like they can serve you for a longer period as much as they go for fridge. So okay, in the Soko you get a good amount of things instead of going to supermarket. Sometimes it's good, but it's advantageous going to Soko. You get at least those people staying in Mombasa, they'll understand what economy. So guys, come with me. Let's put these ones, and also we have some matoke. Also we have hoho with us. We have passion.
What is hoho in English?
Pretty amazing today, right?
Hey, what is hoho in English? Like, tutaachia commenters and the commentators. So guys, and here are Dani, coriander.
Diana. ready.
Are they Korean or what are they? Anyway, comment section. So like, let me add these. We've left them out. So guys, here I have passion fruits. Here we have carrots. Hapa hivi tuko na hoho. In the comment section, kindly tell us hoho in English name. Anyway, then here we have our dania. Now look at the amount ukienda soko, you get a good amount. At least unaweza kurestock your fridge. So guys, we also have here our greens. Like they literally serve us for a long period. Let me say for some time. Instead ile kwenda kubai kwa kibanda, you find like 3 branches, you buy them for, is it 25 or 30? I think 3 branches of spinach in Mombasa unapata unauziwa 30 bob. So like ukienda soko you guys see they are healthy na pia unapata at a good amount. They can serve you for a certain period. So guys, let's put this in the fridge. Come with me. So at the moment, because we are restocking only vegetables, so I want us to put the greens up here. Let's remove this. So guys, come with me. Okay, it's much better if we cut the stems so that we can allow the
Mama fridge.
See,
Bas,
okay.
Good one. Now I start eating.
So guys, we go with others. You know this watu wa mboga za kienyeji. So like when they are there, at least they will be sorted. So let's go to our passion. So guys, these ones, the holes are ones as we place them together with the tomatoes. Okay, anyway, let's go with the passion. The passion will place them here at this moment first. At this moment, let them start there. Then we've got our carrots here. So also our carrots, let's see. No, I don't think that will work. Let me remove our carrots and let us place on top of the tomatoes. I think even though it our poor. Ama sindo itoshe, even though it our
Fridge ni yako mama.
Even though it our itoshe. So let's open these ones, then tutazi arrange because these ones we don't need to
do it. Inside.
So guys, we have our hohos here. We have our hohos here, so we are going to place them. Though don't worry, soon enough we'll be having containers za kuweka hoho kando, like so that it can be easily to pack them. So if you know maybe a place where they sell hizi vitu za kupackage, vitu za fridge, kindly drop up with your comment section. I really need those packing. There are packing all the vitu za kupakwa fridge. I really need them. Yes. So guys, our drum cut is full. So we've decided today let's do mambo na vegetables. Tuone vegetable kwa fridge. Tumezoea shopping. So today na vitu na vegetables. You know fridge ya mama lazima ijae vegetables. So you understand. Hakuna ice cream. So guys, this one I've decided to place them here. I think they will be fine. They will. Like guys, if you really know of a place where they sell ama ukona link these people, those who sell vitu za kupack, vitu za fridge, kindly share them. I really need them. Because you know when places business, at least there's that kuna hizi container or the wrapping package of the fridge one using unaziweka tu and it won't be something like left with as you can see tumechana orange, tumechana pia fruits actually. So guys, I'll kindly request you, if you know of this, maybe kuna place they sell hizi packaging za food ya fridge, kindly tuma hapo kwa comment section and I'll be able to see. Help a sister here. So guys, thank you for being here. I appreciate. I was just doing a short video tukipanga fridge ya mom. You understand, fridge ya mom lazima ijae greens, vegetables. So thank you for being here. Thank you for showing love, and hopefully that you guys won't forget to tap on the red button out there. Kindly subscribe, like and share, and we'll share some more, as also we'll be sharing other videos together. Kindly love, support.
Taki.
Aha,
ati ebu present nani utafanya?
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. To my subscribers, thank you for 100k subscribers. And if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing.
Ampata 100k subscribers wapi?